Hey guys, just a few things before we get into it. Wanted to let you know that my 100 Days of Halloween Happy has officially started. You know, the annual tradition. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook to find out more. Links are listed down below. If you would like to have a little bit of extra Halloween fun, extra Halloween happiness, be sure to check out my Patreon. You get access to my Discord, behind the scenes, personal posts, options for Halloween mail, monthly hangs, movie nights, so much more. Link is also listed down below. Thank you so much for the support, and that leads me into giving a huge special shout out to my top tier supporters over on Patreon. Thank you, Daniela, Sarit, Heather, Tori, Jessica, Paige, Jennifer, Lauren, Samantha, Helva, Katie, Sarah, Coven, Sandy, Gabriella, Pumpkin Spice Hufflepuff, Prentice, Brenda, Cassandra, Christina, Claudia, Morgan, Explorer Jean, and Renee. Thank you to all of my supporters over there. Your time and energy and support truly means so much to me. Thank you. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam and welcome to today's video. We're gonna get into it. I recently found some pretty cool things from thrifting and I wanted to share that with you guys. So first up is this record and read-along book. This one is called I Can Read About Ghost, and of course it comes with the little booklet, comes with a record. I was trying to see when this came out. I believe it was 1975. It has a two-sided record that you play, and then of course it reads it along with you. They should make these today. Maybe they do. I don't really know, but I thought this was fun. And I'm excited to add it to my record collection, even though it's like part record, part book, because if you didn't know, I love collecting books, of course. And then I also really enjoy collecting spooky vinyl. This one I'm obsessed with. I cannot tell you how many times as a kid I watched Gremlins. My mom would put this movie on all the time, and it was just like definitely Christmas classic, you know? On the side it tells you what other movies they've done, like Star Wars, E.T., all the classics. This one's a little dusty, so I'm gonna have to give it a nice cleaning. How amazing is this? So this is from 1984. And I just love that it includes all of the photos from the movie. And oh, I can just hear Gizmo talking right now. I love it so much. I don't know if any of you guys are going to see the Haunted Mansion coming up. It's probably out by the time this video goes up, but let me know if you're going to see it. I plan on seeing it and I can't wait. So I thought this was perfect. Classic Haunted Mansion. This is another book that comes with a record. And look at how classic these illustrations are. Oh, it's just my heart, my Halloween heart, really. The record's back here, and then on the side you can see what other titles that they do. But I just thought this was really neat and I'm excited to add that too. Moving along, guys, where are my X-Files fans at? Like, we need a support group, really. So I picked up this TV guide. This actually came as like a little bundle. You get the TV guide and 2 books. I'll get to those in a second. But do you remember? Okay, these aren't that old technically, but the TV guides, do they still make them? Probably not. I never see them, but growing up as a kid, my mom would never buy them. Couldn't afford them, honestly. And I remember my Grandy, she always had these. And I'm like, why does Grandy get to have them, but we can't? And so I would just read them whenever I'd go visit my grandma. I was looking through here and just all the nostalgia, all the memories are flowing back to my head. Do you guys remember the 12 CDs for a cent? I actually signed up for that. And I think my first CD was like a Missy Elliott CD. So moving along to the books. So this is X Marks the Spot, and Mulder, I'm sure you know a little bit about X Marks the Spot, just saying. Scully too, I mean, they're both babes, are you joking? So this one is 2, Darkness Falls. And I don't know, I always like to look through the pages in case someone left maybe $100 bill for me, and then I can go buy some Halloween stuff. This book is the novelization of Fright Night. Such a classic. Let me know if you guys have seen it. If not, maybe you've seen the remake, which I honestly thought was really good. All right, so now we have a coloring book, and a few years ago I said, should I start collecting Peanuts Halloween things? And here we are, adding more to that collection. Do I need it? No, but I thought this coloring book was pretty cool. I think it's from the 70s. I thought that I looked it up when I was filming this video, but apparently not, but I think it's from the 70s. Another memory, you guys. This just melts my heart. So I love collecting these little Halloween craft/costume patterns. Do I ever use them? No, but I love collecting them. I was trying to look for the year on this one. I couldn't find it on here, but I'm sure if I just gave Google a little search, I could find it. But the reason why I collect these things is growing up, I used to go to the fabric store with my mom. We'd buy fabric for my costumes, and I loved it. Practical Magic, hello? Are you even a witch if you haven't seen this movie? I mean, come on. Nicole Kidman, Sandra Bullock, babes, witchy babes, we love that. And this just goes right into my spooky music collection. I love, CDs. I love collecting CDs. I like collecting cassette tapes and records. I really miss the whole process of opening a CD, taking out the little booklet, reading the thank yous, looking at the photos, the images, just clicking the CD out of the little tray, closing it. Oh, I miss it. I got 2 more things to share with you. So I found this little jack-o'-lantern ceramic dish. Not that I needed another one, but did I need another one? Sure, why not? I figured I could put my trinkets in here. I know, Sam, how many trinket holders do you need? But you'll be happy to know that I am using it. Currently, I have my chapstick, I have my hand sanitizer, I have some little notes. Also, I found this mug set that I died over. I found it at like a little antique outdoor thing. The lady said that they were never used. Do I believe that? Not really, but that's okay with me. Like, that wasn't a selling point. I got this set of 4 little mugs for $10. I think that's a steal. I need to look up and see when these were made. I mean, I feel like they kind of look like they're newer, but then they kind of don't just because of the little gold on the handle, but maybe I'm just making that up. But this one is so cute. It has a little pumpkin on the bike. So you get 2 of each pattern, and I can't wait to add these to my coffee bar. I just thought it was a steal. $10. Yes. All right, guys. I know this was a quick video. I know you guys miss my face. I miss showing my face, but this has been the best that I can do right now. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.